When the cold seasons start to kick in, I instantly think about cozy blankets, reading in candlelight, and home activities like baking. Obviously, I don't do all of these things. However, it does inspire some things to do. This year, I have chosen to embrace summer, and now I am trying to remember how to embrace autumn. Usually I can't wait for the sun to go away and for winter to come. However, it's a strange change to the usual. I have written a list of all the things that I feel would get me into the autumn mood. If you're interested, I could make a video about all the things that you could do this year to get ready for the changing of the seasons. I've got films, activities, little things that you can do to slowly get ready while the seasons are changing, so it doesn't feel so abrupt. For me, I notice the changing of the seasons straight away, but I didn't consider that accepting the seasons changing would make me feel off. One of the things I really love to do to embrace the seasons changing is going for walks. Wrapping up in something warm to romanticize the cold, each time trying to notice what has changed, like a spot the difference game. What colours are the leaves today? Which tree will be the last to drop its leaves? Taking a moment to listen to nature, hearing the birds. It's scientifically proven to reduce stress and anxiety, so if you're having a bad day, maybe go for a walk, with no headphones though. I want you to remember that all of this is between working at my part-time job, cooking, cleaning, and other responsibilities. Only then do I think about seeing my friends and family or developing my art career. I am working on balance, which is what you're seeing now, making time for the little things that bring me joy. Sometimes I don't see the point in things that are just pretty or don't do anything. Objects, items, hobbies, activities have to have a good achievement or goal. Otherwise, I don't see the point in them. Otherwise, I find them kind of pointless. Which might sound like I'm trying to suck the joy out of life. The start of winter is the perfect opportunity to rest, reset, and take it easy on yourself. Autumn starts from the 22nd of September. Winter officially starts on the 21st of December, or you could count autumn as the beginning of winter, and the middle of winter, the 21st, through to March, is the natural new year. The trees drop their leaves because there is less sunlight in the winter. So instead of holding on to all those tiny little leaves, struggling to keep them alive and itself, the trees let them go, so they can maintain their strength and energy through the cold seasons. Even then, they take a nap until there is more sunlight. Why isn't it the same for humans? We consistently push ourselves to the point of burnout and expect to keep going until we drop. We need to rest. So put some time into something that actually brings you joy. Or maybe just use your spare time to take it easy. I want to say a huge thank you to my lovely plucky Patreons. As usual, they are consistently supporting me, whether or not I am making a lot of online work, or recently I have found so much joy in making them handmade, unique little art mail. So with the current season, I felt inspired to do something with ink and gold and green holly leaves. If you would like to be part of my world, you could sign up to be a Patreon, or you could subscribe if you've enjoyed the video, and you can give it a little like. But I hope this video has inspired you to take some time off, or just to put some time into something that's just for you. Just like the trees, we need to let something go, or we need to take time for ourselves. So look at nature when you're not sure what to do. Thank you.